welcome back to my YouTube video. Today we're going to be unboxing vacation bags.
That's right. So what's in here is going to be a bag that you can carry in lieu of a carry-on, because we discovered if we're going to be flying out of the country, they have changed a lot of the regulations for how heavy your suitcase carry-on can be, and so we had to get creative. Are you ready to unbox?
Yes. Let's have a scissor. 3, 2, 1.
Hey, there's a scissor. And this is from Amazon. As you can tell, it's one of those generic bags, but we had to find something that's 20 inches because that's the limit of the suitcase carry-on for our airline.
Scissor back.
Okay, scissor back. And normally we would do our own carry-on, which is like way over there, you can see. But the problem with our carry-on is we already exceeded our 15 pounds. So we thought...
15 pound limit.
Yeah, the stupid 15-pound limit. Because the suitcases that we have right now, the carry-ons, are already 6.5 pounds to begin with. Which means we can barely put in 8.5 pounds of actual content in there.
Okay.
So we came up with the idea of getting a lighter carry-on bag so we can put in more things.
I'm having difficult issues.
Oh wow, now you're just really jabbing it. Okay, alright, she opened it. At least you try to cut it open. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so this is a generic brand. I don't even know how to pronounce this word. It's made in China.
Bubble wrap.
You got bubble wrap. Okay.
Oh, comment down below if you love bubble wrap.
Okay, if you love the packaging material. Okay, so this is a carry-on, could be also a weekender bag. We got this because this was actually 20 inches in length, which is exactly what I want, because 20 inches is the maximum allowed on the airline we're about to fly. And please follow us because we're gonna vlog our vacation.
Yeah, and you're gonna see me on an airplane.
That's right.
Going somewhere special.
Going somewhere special. And look, yes, and the box can be used for rabbit entertainment.
Or I can pick up honey and put it in.
That's right, you can put it in the box too.
Okay, so.
Oh, she really is going to town over there. Okay, go ahead and try and open that.
What's the scissor?
Oh, you need the scissor again? Okay, I'll go get it. All right, there's the scissor.
And honey's on cardboard.
Oh my gosh, she really is going to town over there. Let me see. You work on that. Let me work on looking at honey. Hi, honey. Yes, don't worry, you're going to rabbit boarding. We got that all taken care of for you.
Yeah, because no pets allowed.
No pets allowed on that airplane. You wouldn't want to be on that airplane, right? It's a long one.
She's already bulging in a car ride.
Yeah, you get car sick. You won't survive an airplane.
Yeah.
Okay. How's this coming along over here, Kay?
Very well.
Oh, you really cut it. Oh, yeah, you did. Okay, so this is the first of this bag. We actually got 2 of these. This one happens to be from this
Do you want me to cut off
brand.
the bag?
Oh, no, don't cut off the bag yet because I need to make sure if this really is 20 inches because that's the maximum.
Well, let's go get more of that.
Okay, so let me see what the weight is because I wanted something light. According to their website, oh, this is kind of heavy. This bag is already 2.5 pounds, and that's before we put anything in here. But 2.5 pounds is better than 6.5 pounds. Okay, so here's the bag. I'm gonna measure this is 20 inches, but let's just do the scale. And according to the scale, oh, it is 2 pounds already, and that's with the whole entire bag empty. So this is pretty heavy duty. Okay, now can I get some help in opening the suitcase?
Yes, you can.
Okay, so look, there's these nice cool buckles to make sure not just anyone can open your suitcase. Okay, don't forget this side. No, don't forget this side.
Oh, it's like a
Oh, there's this part.
Yeah, it's literally like a
can I
suitcase on the inside. Can you prop it open? Kara can help us out prop it open.
how do you buckle
No,
that?
wait, oh, it won't go all the way down because of the straps. It's already buckled.
It's already buckled.
You're gonna have to
I'm so
push the
stuck.
button here to unbuckle.
Oh yeah, like that.
Yeah, there you go.
Hold on, let me
This
check.
will definitely take some adjusting.
Yeah. It's definitely a lot more shallower than a regular suitcase, but then considering half our carry-ons over there isn't even full because we already exceeded maximum capacity. So there's that side. And then let's see what's going on this side. Kay, can you open this part?
Yes, ma'am.
What's on that side?
Foil.
Oh, okay. So something that's kind of see-through. What about this
And
side?
it looks shiny like silver.
It's shiny. Okay, what about this side?
It's pitch black darkness. Oh, there's something. I think there's a soap pack.
Oh, yeah. Toss that away before honey or honeydew decides to eat it.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so there's that side.
How
Oh, and
come
then
they
look.
put soap pack
Can
there?
you open this part too for me, please?
I wonder why they put soap pack.
Oh, yeah. It's to make sure there's no moisture.
I'll throw that away.
Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh, this is a great place to store the laptop. I'm taking my MacBook with me. That's right. And then let's open these. Is there any other extra compartments here? It looks kind of water repellent
two
too.
pencils can go in here. Two
Okay.
pockets. This. Ooh, this up.
Very nice. Oh, that's for your keys and stuff like that. Okay, let's try this one.
Ooh, I forgot there was another pocket.
Another pocket on the top.
It's
Okay.
just extra storage.
Okay, that's nice.
Really in it.
And I'm thinking once we transfer everything into this bag will be 15 pounds. I'm hoping it's only 12 pounds, so we can put more stuff in here. Okay, let's go take a look here. Are you gonna zip? Okay, so she's gonna zip it all up.
Yeah.
I like it. I like the color too. Okay, so there are multiple handles. So there's a handle over here. Okay, there's a handle over here on the side. Okay, and then the cool part is this is the secret why I got this one.
there's a bucket.
Because this can hang over the other carry-ons we're gonna bring. Airport security and carry-on security. Okay, and I'm showing you how it's gonna look with an actual rolly carry-on.
Yeah.
Because if you turn it around to the back,
The strap actually protects it from falling off.
Yeah.
Because it's secure. So what?
it's all nice and secure.
I'm going on vacation. Inside the house, I'm going on vacation.
It's a little secret zipper compartment for you to hide the straps just in case you don't need the straps. So the straps here will unhook very easily. Oh, this is really cool. This is actual metallic. It's not plastic here. So once this comes loose, let me just see if I can show how this is going to work. This comes loose. Oh, this is kind of tied to that. Okay, so let's make this side come loose too. So coming over to this side come loose. All right, Kay, can you stuff these straps, these backpack straps, into the compartment right here? Go ahead, stuff it in. This way you don't need to carry it as a backpack. You can just carry it as a attachment to your carry-on.
What's the buckle for, baby?
Oh, that buckle is for the other side. But okay, so this is our strategy because the airline we're flying only allows one carry-on. And so we need to maximize our weight limit.
Bye, and I hope you liked the video. Think that's it, but tell me if you're going on vacation or if you have this.
Whether you have a carry-on at home, not just this bag.